Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to clear your cache on SafePal application. So let's dive into the video without wasting much of our time. Launch open the SafePal application from your app drawer and make sure to log into your account by entering your password. Once you're inside the main home page for SafePal, tap on the gear icon located at the top left-hand corner. From the settings menu, you will be able to see the clear cache option under custom network. Simply tap on it and you will get two options to either clear your browser's cache or clear all of the cache built up on your SafePal app. Tap on clear all cache and you will be able to remove the cache data from the application. So that's how easy it is to clear out your cache on SafePal application so that you will be able to run the application smoother and faster. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.